Hello guys, I wanted to give you a quick update on where we are at with the 335i. As you can see, it's looking a little bit different now. It's all rubbed back. We can see some repairs that have taken place. We can see the new wheels, spoiler. The interior is pretty much done. I was hoping, since we are so close, I was hoping to get this finalized, ready for paint tomorrow. And I was just going over everything, checking, making sure that everything has been sorted. And then I found another part on a panel that needed repair. I completely missed it. And honestly, time is not on my side right now. We're going away this weekend to Sydney on just in a couple of days. And I'm trying to rush, trying to get it all done. And then I saw this and I'm like, nah, I had to call it. So unfortunately, that's held us back from going to the paint shop tomorrow. So now it's gonna have to wait till next year. So I just thought I'll give you guys an update on where we're at. I'll show you some of the repairs that I've had to do. All right, so we had some cracks here and some chips in the paint on this guard. So just gone over with a little bit of body filler and primer. We had two little small dings here. Really odd place to have them, but anyways, they were there. That got fixed. A couple of little ones. These were paint chips. They look like stone chips, so just repaired both of them. This door, it just wasn't painted right from the other time that it was resprayed, whoever done it. So I've rubbed all this back, got rid of all the old paint that was flaking off there, and that got primed. This had quite a lot of paint chips along the door edge, as they do when you open the door and you hit another car or hit something. There were quite a few paint chips there that got fixed. We had a bit of clear peeling off on the edge there. This bumper had a crack. So it looked like this side and the other side had a little bit of body filler, and the body filler had a crack in it. So the bar itself wasn't cracked, just the body filler. But the only way to fix that is you've got to take it back down to plastic and start again. So I've done that. The rear bar had a couple of small imperfections. They've been fixed. Same as here. Here had a bit of clear peeling off and some marks from the number plate where the number plate bolts on. It scratched the body there. So fix that. On this side, this is what, I'll see if I can point it out on the camera. Right here, there's a hairline crack. So there must be a little bit of body filler here, and I have a feeling that crack happened because these guards are pumped. They would have had some big wheels underneath here, and it just at some stage it was probably rubbing. There are some wear marks on the inside where there's been some tire rubs. So I have a feeling that that's how that's happened. But I can't sand this back and paint over it. It'll show straight back up on the new paint. So I got to get this back down to metal and start again with the body filler. Now this, me personally, because this is not my trade, it's gonna take me too long to fix, and yeah, like I said, time's not on my side. So, and I just got to rub back this a little bit more, which I missed that as well. On this side, door handle, same as the other side, just rubbed it back, bit of primer, little ding there. So as you can see, I'm really trying. I'm really trying to make this really nice. I'm doing my best. But this is where we're at. Bit disappointing, but it is what it is. I wanted to leave you guys with some well wishes and reflect on the year that has been. I am exhausted. This has been quite a lot of work. It's been good, it's been fun. Yeah, I think I'm about to call this year done and start fresh next year. So wish you guys a Merry Christmas, and take a minute to remember the reason for the season, and remember our Lord Jesus Christ which we celebrate during this time. And so yeah, guys, Merry Christmas, God bless, and I'll see you guys next year ready to paint.